Good morning, children. This is Saibal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter data handling from class 6, as this chapter is really very important chapter. We have studied this concept of data handling in the previous class, and the previous video I discussed about the basic concepts of data handling, what this data handling is all about, how it works, how we can arrange the data. These things we had discussed in the previous video. So here in this video, we are going to have a discussion how to deal with some concepts of data handling known as frequency distribution, then tally marks. How does such things really work? That is what we are going to have a discussion in this video. So children, we are giving start from right from question number 1 of exercise 9 of exercise 9.1. This is about exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1, question number 1. So here in this mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. We have to arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. So children, here in this table, as we can see, there are some marks of 40 children. A class test was conducted in a classroom. So 40 children had take participation in our test. The marks of the 40 children are following. The first child got 8, second child got 1, third child got 3, fourth child got 7. So here the marks are given accordingly, right? So what we need to do, we need to prepare a table first. So we will make a table. The table will be with some following data. So the captions will be, the first one will be written data. Next title will be frequency. Next title will be frequency. And the third one will be tally marks. Okay. So children, so the in the list of under column of data, the numbers which is the lowest over here, that is 1. Okay. And the highest number is 9. So it's starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Accordingly, we need to write. What is the next one? The next one is about the frequency. Okay. How many 1 is present in the table? There are 2 children got marks 1. So we have to write 2 under the column frequency 2. Number of children secured marks 2. That is 3. 3 children got marks 3. How many children secured marks 3? 3 children got marks 3. The number of children secured marks 4 is 7. 7 children secured the marks 4. The number of children secured marks 5 is 6. The number of children secured the mark 6 is 7. Accordingly, we have to make for all the marks right from starting right from 1 to number 9. So here, after completing it, what we need to check? We need to check by adding all this frequency whether it comes 40 or not. Because as the total number of data is 40 and there are 40 children had taken participation in the exam, so we'll need to just add up whether it comes 40 or not. If it is coming 40, it's absolutely correct. If it is not coming 40, that means we have made mistake in counting somewhere. Now about the tally marks. What is the meaning of this word tally marks? Tally marks means just representation of this data frequency in form of table. So naturally, these numbers are to be represented in form of lines. So we understand how can we represent these lines. The frequency 2 will be drawn 2 single lines like this. 2. Suppose 3. The frequency is 3. 1, 2, 3. The frequency 3, 1, 2, 3. The next one is frequency 7. So as we know that we need to make a pair of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The next number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how we need to actually express the tally marks. So I believe this tally marks representation is absolutely clear. So here, as there is, like, I have written till number 6, you will be completing till the mark 7, till the marks 9. So as the highest marks is 9 in this table. So this is how we need to represent this tally marks. I believe it's absolutely clear. The next one is about the choice of sweets for different children, as we are given a table over here, as we can see in question number 2. Some children likes laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla. These are the choice, and barfi as well. Laddu, barfi, jalebi, and rasgulla. 4 different types of sweets liked by for, like, some number of children. So there are total 30 children. So the table to be made in this way: rasgulla is liked by 9 children. The frequency is 9. Laddu is liked by 11 number of children. Jalebi is liked by 7 number of children, and barfi for 3 children. So the tally marks for all these numbers, rasgulla, as it's 9. So representation of tally marks will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next number is laddu, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Next number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. So these way we can represent the data in tally marks. So I believe this question is very clear. There is nothing as such. Only the captions to be made: name, name of the sweets, frequency, and tally marks, as we have done in the previous question number 1. So your part of job is to try out these questions, and you will solve all these questions on the white copy. Boxes are to be made by using ruler and pencil, and the work should be done in the Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.